Thalidomide is a white, odorless, crystalline substance. It is made up of two rings with different chemical makeups. The left ring is thought to be teratogenic, impacting fetal development, while the right side is responsible for its sedative medicinal properties. While the two diagrams pictured above are both technically thalidomide and have the same physical and chemical properties, they react very differently in the human body. The safe R+ molecule will have the desired effect, while the harmful S- molecule is what contributes to the molecule's toxicity in humans. Like all medications, the production and administration of thalidomide as a medication can cause it to be released into the environment through various waste streams. It is not recorded as having significant effects on terrestrial or aquatic organisms when released in the air or soil, possibly because of its high melting point, stable structure, and low solubility in water. Thalidomide was first developed in West Germany during the 1950s. Patented in 1954, this pharmaceutical was originally used to treat respiratory infections and was also found to induce sleep and drowsiness. Due to its ability to alleviate morning sickness and nausea, it was marketed under the name Contergan towards pregnant women in 1957. Rigorous animal testing suggested that even extremely high doses had few side effects and little toxicity in humans. This, however, was not the case, as the drug severely affected fetal development. An estimated 5,000 to 10,000 babies, not including stillborns and miscarriages, were born physically deformed. While many babies were born with missing ears, cleft palates, and heart and kidney problems, one of the most common symptoms was phocomelia, which is the extreme shortening and malformation of the arms and legs. Beginning in the late 60s, victims gathered in a class action lawsuit, and after a long and hard legal battle, were eventually awarded settlements. Thalidomide, as well as its derivatives lenalidomide and pomalidomide, are IMIDs, or immunomodulatory drugs that are able to change the body's immune response. Today, thalidomide is used to treat and manage outbreaks of leprosy, as well as to treat certain forms of cancer, as it is an anti-angiogenic drug. This means that thalidomide prevents tumors from receiving the blood and nutrients they need to grow by halting the growth of new blood vessels. Unfortunately, in some of these developing countries, the general public is not entirely aware of the dangers that thalidomide can have on a growing fetus, resulting in babies that are still being born with phocomelia today. With thalidomide came the widespread recognition that differences in sensitivity between species required consideration. Because rats and mice have an inherent resistance to the drug, its harmful teratogenic effects were not discovered until it was too late. As a result, developmental toxicity testing for pharmaceuticals today must now be conducted on multiple species, including one which is not a rodent, in order to ensure the safety of those who take them.